faceless channels are the way if you really want to make money. I'm not expecting to make no money off of this channel here. This is an informative channel. This is telling you how Daddy-O has started to make some money. And I'm going to try to lay it out as quick as, if I find something new that's working, that's not astronomical in value, I mean, in cost, I'm going to tell you about it. I'm going to feed it to you. I'm going to try to tell you, click, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. You'll get these updates. And when I run across something, I've been talking about InVideo. I've been talking about VidIQ. Today, I'm talking about TubeMagic. And it's worth a try. Go in there and just get involved in it. It can help you on your channels, make a little bit easier for you to get started. Definitely make those videos each week, and I'm gonna keep on harping at consistency. Keep pumping them out. I'm doing right now on my other channels. I'm doing at least one video every other day for those other channels. And I'm seeing progress off of it. By doing it that way, by using these tools, you can, it's not that hard. It's not that hard. So get involved with each one of those three, TubeMagic, InVideo, and VidIQ. If you get involved with those three to get you started, yes, they're worth everything you can start off with. I mean everything, whatever it costs you to get started with it, once you see the benefits of it. And go over and look at Matt's videos, and he's going to teach you how to use each one of those. He's going to tell you how to do it. He's got courses already online that are free on this channel, and benefit from them. Don't be hesitant. If you're even thinking about doing a YouTube channel, go over there and look, because once you see what you can do with it and how easy it's going to make it for you, the rest is up to you. Just keep posting. And like I've said before, get committed to do 30 videos, an hour every day. Sit down and do a video. Every other day, sit down and do a video. It doesn't take long with AI. It doesn't take long at all to get something going for yourselves. This is the simplest way I know of right now to make some money for the future. You get that piece of real estate that I've talked about before. Every time you post a video on YouTube, it's a piece of real estate, and another piece of real estate, and another piece of real estate, and another piece of real estate that's going to be there for your lifetime. YouTube's not going nowhere. It's huge. And it's getting bigger. We don't know what's going on with TikTok, but YouTube has been growing for a long time. And there's more people on YouTube every day. Create something that gives value. Create something that gives entertainment. Do a story. I'm doing a story channel, a history channel, a travel channel. This channel, do it. Just get off the couch and do it. This can't get any easier out here. It doesn't take a whole lot of effort. And if you've ever considered, just do one video. Just do one. Once you've done that one, it'll help you motivate to do the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. And then when you get up and you start looking at how many subscribers you've gotten, when you get up the next day and you start seeing that overnight, things have happened. Someone was entertained. Someone was benefited by the information that you had to give them, by the story that you told them, by the travel information that you've given them, about this. It can balloon on you after a period of a week, after a period of 2 weeks. You can get highly motivated to do this. And then after you start getting monetized, you start getting all those views, those subscribers, and you start getting a check in the mail. This becomes a life-changing moment for a lot of people. It has for me. So yes. Definitely get on the bandwagon. I got my laptop here in front of me. Get on the bandwagon. Get TubeMagic. Get InVideo. Get VidIQ for sure. Once you get your channel up, you definitely want to have VidIQ. It's going to give you a review on your competition. It's going to tell you what other people are out there in that same niche that you're in. And it's going to tell you what they're doing. How are they succeeding? What videos are they posting? Which ones are growing for them? And like I said before, all you got to do is just copy and paste. Just can't get it much simpler, and everyone's done copying and pasting in their life on something. That's all it takes. Copy over here, paste it in over here, have it rewrite it for you, have it put it in different words, take the title, have it rewrote for you, get you a thumbnail that's similar to what they've done, post the damn thing, and sit back and wait. Next day, do the same thing. Next day, do the same thing. Maybe a day after that one, do the same thing. Keep it going. Keep it going. That's all it takes to get started in this. It's not brain surgery. It's nothing that you really have to think a whole lot about. It's a system. Just get into the system and let it work for you. Let it pay those extra bills every month. Let it show you where you want to go, and it'll pay your bills for you. So that's the three with ChatGPT that I use, and I will be using for quite a while because they work. And when you find something that works and it's not costing you a ton of money to use those systems, those programs, those apps, and with AI, this is so simple. And we have a new world to look at. We don't know what's going to happen in the world. There's a lot of chaos going on, and I'm going to tell you, there's going to be a lot more chaos coming. There's no doubt about that. So take advantage of the situation that YouTube's handing you. And if you're watching this video, you spend time on YouTube. If you're watching this video, you may want to change. You may be looking for something. And I've given you good three. With ChatGPT, those three and ChatGPT, you have a future on YouTube. The future is laid out in front of you. And if you want to make some money, some serious money, I've said it before, there's guys out there making $10,000 a month. There's guys out there making $50,000 a month. There's people out there making $500,000 a month off of what they've done over the years. Now, if they stop today and stop posting any videos, they're still going to have that money coming in. Those are pieces of real estate on YouTube that are not going to go away. They're going to continue to make them money. And if they're making $50,000 a month right now, and they don't do no more, it's going to slowly, gradually go away a little bit over time. It's going to have its ups and downs. But if you're continuously posting, you're creating an environment on YouTube that YouTube is looking for. They're wanting people to post. They're wanting people, new people. They're really pushing right now. You can have zero going for you. You can have 0 subscribers, 4 movies or three videos on the channel, and you're going to see that people are still going to find that channel. But you get that 4th, you get that 5th, you get that 6th, you get that 10th video up. And at that point, you start seeing some real growth. You get to that magic number of 30, and you've got something going for you. You're going to get, within the year, you're going to get monetized. It's just that simple. All you got to do is be committed to the first part, and that's getting it going. And with the VidIQ, TubeMagic, and in video, ChatGPT, this has gotten too simple for everyone to just pass up. So get out there and do it. It's simple. So let YouTube pay your bills, because they will if you are consistent and you really want to do this. Just don't stop. Once you post that first video, and that's going to be the easy one, you get that first video up, the second one's easy. The third one's simple. By the time you get to the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, you know how to do this. And that's why when you can sit down and do this in a matter of minutes, especially with Faceless, because everything's being done for you. In a matter of minutes, you can have your video done. Have that channel and just upload it. And once you've put VidIQ into the system, it's going to help you review that video, give you choices to improve it, to analyze it yourself. And then it's also going to give you a chance to analyze the competition. Who's out there in that travel retirement niche? Who's out there in that top 10 niche? Who's out there in the history niche that's competing with you? And like I've said, pick something. Yes, do your gardening channel if that's what you want to do. That's okay. Have fun with that. That might be a way for you to get started. And once you realize how easy it is to upload, set up that channel, then you can go and create you another channel, make money. Because and once you've done that first channel and you get a second channel going, focus on just the two. I'm doing more than I should. No doubt about it. It's got me stretched, and some days I'm sitting there, okay, I got to get this video done today. I got to get this done. Let things get simple for you. Just do that first one. Once you've done that one, things are simple. A lot of people here know me. So when people walk by, or I had to pause the video the other day as I was talking because someone was walking towards my car. They saw me and recognized me. So, yeah. I'm out here doing Uber today. I do Uber every day, 7 days a week. So I start getting my checks in. But I'm having growth. My channels are growing. And it's gotten simple, like I've said, with AI, VidIQ, and video, and now with TubeMagic. It makes it so simple out here. Get involved. Make a change in your life. It's a growing YouTube. Be part of it. Let them be your new employer. Daddy-O is going to say goodbye for right now, but I am going to do another video later. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Daddy-O out.